Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the device is charged and backed up. This prevents data loss if you must restore later. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Screen Time or, on older versions, General Right Arrow Restrictions. Make sure you know the device passcode and the Apple ID credentials because you'll need them to turn off or change the content and privacy passcode. This step locates controls so you can reset securely without guessing or forcing a restore. Now proceed to change or disable the Screen Time passcode. Tap Change Screen Time Passcode, then choose Turn Off Screen Time Passcode if you want to remove it. If prompted, select the option to reset via your Apple ID. This verifies your identity and restores access without erasing the device. If that option does not appear, follow the on-screen verification prompts and note your device model and iOS version. This information matters. Finish by confirming the passcode change took effect and testing restricted settings now accessible. If Apple ID reset fails, you'll need to restore the device using Finder or iTunes in recovery mode. Connect to a trusted computer and follow restore steps, which erase device data, hence the earlier backup. Make sure you have Apple ID proof or purchase info if asked. If recovery mode stalls, restart both the computer and device, then retry. That often resolves connection or recognition errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.